Avalanche rescue team of the Indian Army getting ready for an operation in the higher reaches of Gulmarg. Carrying special equipment, they patrol these snow-bound peaks. These bags with arms and equipment weigh more than 25 kilos. Minutes later, an avalanche victim detector gives possible location of men buried under several feet of snow. The team quickly swings into action, clearing the snow with shovels and rods. The first thing to come out from the snow is a rifle. Soon a man buried under the snow is pulled out. He is taken to the nearby medical camp. Here doctors work to revive his heartbeat and give him first aid. This is not a real operation. It's a drill for evacuation of men buried under avalanches. This is the high altitude warfare school at Gulmarg, where army men undergo rigorous training before being launched into rescue missions. With very little scope to prepare in emergencies, there is no time for acclimatization in snow-bound avalanche-hit areas. The men who carried out the recent rescue operation at Siachen were trained here.
The people who are launched into operations, for rescue operations especially, they are the people who are already acclimatized. So those troops, they were available in Siachen, and they were launched immediately after this was learnt that the post has been swept away in an ice avalanche.
ये जो सामान दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, ये रेस्क्यू सामान है जो अवलांच के अंदर दब जाता है। उसको ढूंढने के लिए हम इन इक्विपमेंट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। रोप्स है, स्नोबार है, ये एवीडी है। एवीडी अगर उस मेंबर के पास है तो हम इसकी मदद से ट्रैक करते हैं उसको। और ये अवलांच कोड है, अगर वो मेंबर इस्तेमाल कर रहा है तो ये फ्लोरोसेंट कलर छोड़ता है।
Innovation is the key in such missions. These igloos and snow caves are constructed by the army when they are not carrying tents. These snow shelters can accommodate up to 10 men. They can cook inside these snow caves and have to use candles for light. I'm inside an igloo. We are not in Antarctica, but on the higher reaches of Gulmarg. These igloos have been made by the Jawans of the Indian Army. They are basically shelters.
This is basically a part of survival training. We are training the Indian Army Jawans here. So what we give them the first-hand experience of how to operate in snowbound areas. Second is how to make these shelters.
It's a tough job for the Jawans working round the clock on these high altitude peaks which are always under the snow. They just don't have to fight the enemy, but the forces of the nature as well. On the Afarvat mountain with Sheikh Tariq Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.